Welcome the rain, welcome the rain. Onion pakodi is one of my favorites, and especially when it rains, I have to make onion pakodi. And these pakodi, especially with rasam, curd rice, anything, they will taste just awesome. Onion pakodi, that's how we welcome rain here. So for this, make sure you shred the onions really nice, fine. First, we have to make the short crust of the chickpea flour. So this is the besan. In this, we are going to add some rice flour. If you want, you can add a little bit of baking powder. In this, add salt. We need to reset this flour so that your onion pakodi will come out nice and crunchy. That's very simple. Add oil in this and first mix this. And just mix it roughly like this. This will give the kind of short crust effect on this chickpea flour. We're going to add chilli powder, turmeric. This is also optional, and I love to add garlic. So roughly crushed, add some crushed chilli. Add a little bit of carom seeds, ajwain. Now add curry leaves. I love curry leaves in this. This one. Onion. Usually what I do is I add some salt with the onions and squeeze them. So moisture will come out. You don't need to add any more water at all. But here what we're going to do, mix this with this flour. Lot of onions, okay? And I also have cashew nut. So always cashew nut, soak it in the water, add to this. Cashew nuts is my favorite in my onion pakoda, and always whenever I make this onion pakoda, at least half the quantity has to go for my father because he just loves these pakodas. Once you mix it and let it rest for a few minutes, the onions will become a little bit soft, moisture will come out. After that also, if you need water, sprinkle a little bit water, and then we're going to make this pakoda. Mix this. You don't have to mix the entire thing. First mix one lot and make pakodas with that. And this one will come out nice and crunchy on a medium hot oil. You got to fry them. Look at them. So some of these onions will be protruding out like this. Just take it and just drop it into small little pieces, and they'll come out so wonderful and perfect. Okay. The color is nice and golden. The onions will become nice and crunchy and get even coloring. Only then take them, look at this, perfect, and put it on a paper towel. And you will have one of the perfect onion pakoda, which is nice, crunchy and awesome. And these pakodi, especially with rasam, curd rice, anything, they will taste just awesome. Nice, fine, crunchy onion pakodi. And outside it is so beautiful. It is kind of drizzling a little bit, and you have to welcome the rain with this beautiful onion pakoda. Welcome the rain, welcome the rain. The crunchy onion pakoda. Wow, just outstanding. So good. So good.